Welcome, sweet soul. Today we're slowing things down and returning to something ancient, gentle, and true. If you've felt overwhelmed by hair growth promises, chemical labels you can't pronounce, or products that never seem to work, this is your quiet place to land. I'm sharing a simple, nourishing shampoo and conditioner made with intention, plants, and care. Not as a miracle, but as a hair care ritual. One that honors your body, your scalp, and your natural rhythm. No need to be frustrated any longer. When you know what is in your hair care product and it will deliver for you, it is as close to magic as you can get. So if you want something safe, natural, and effective, then you're in the right place. Let's get started. Before we jump into the recipe, let's talk about the benefits of these ingredients. Each one of these plays an important role in nourishing your hair and promoting growth. The base of our shampoo is liquid Castile soap, a gentle cleanser made from natural oils. It effectively cleanses your scalp without stripping away the natural oils your hair needs to stay healthy. Next, we have aloe vera gel, a powerful natural moisturizer. It soothes an itchy scalp, reduces dandruff, and promotes hair growth by improving blood circulation to the scalp. We'll add rosemary essential oil and peppermint essential oil for their incredible hair growth properties. Rosemary improves circulation to the scalp and has been used for centuries to promote hair growth. Peppermint provides a cooling sensation that increases blood flow, stimulating hair follicles. Raw honey is a natural humectant, meaning it helps retain moisture. Dry hair often leads to breakage, so adding honey to your shampoo will keep your hair hydrated and shiny. Finally, jojoba oil is packed with vitamins and minerals like vitamin E, B-complex, and zinc. It mimics the natural oils of your scalp and strengthens the hair shaft, reducing breakage. Now let's make the shampoo. You'll need 1 cup of liquid Castile soap, 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel, 10 drops of rosemary essential oil, 10 drops of peppermint essential oil, 1 teaspoon of jojoba oil, and 1 teaspoon of raw honey. I have a free printable in the description with the full recipe. Combine all these ingredients in a clean bottle. Stir it well and your shampoo is ready to use. Massage it gently into your scalp for 2-3 minutes to stimulate blood flow, then rinse thoroughly. Let's move on to the conditioner. The first ingredient is coconut milk. Rich in lauric acid, it nourishes the scalp and strengthens hair cuticles. Coconut milk is also deeply hydrating, leaving your hair soft and silky. Coconut oil or argan oil adds even more moisture. These oils seal in hydration, reduce frizz, and protect your hair from environmental damage. We'll also use aloe vera gel, which we talked about earlier, and apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar balances the pH of your scalp, removes product buildup, and smooths the hair cuticle for a glossy finish. Lastly, we'll add rosemary essential oil again for growth and lavender essential oil to calm the scalp and reduce stress. Stress is a major contributor to hair loss, so incorporating lavender can help relax both you and your hair follicles. Here's what you'll need for the conditioner. 1/4 cup of coconut milk, 2 tablespoons fractionated coconut or argan oil, 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, 5 drops rosemary essential oil, 5 drops lavender essential oil, and 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl until smooth. Apply the conditioner to damp hair after shampooing, focusing on the mid-lengths and ends. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with cool water. And there you have it, your very own natural hair growth shampoo and conditioner. These recipes are free of harsh chemicals, affordable, and effective. By nourishing your scalp and hair with these natural ingredients, you're promoting growth and improving overall hair health. Be sure to share this video with someone who's on a natural hair care journey. Let me know in the comments if you try these recipes and how they work for you. Don't forget your free printable of both the shampoo and the conditioner. The links are in the description and pinned to the comments. See you at the next video.